Diversity in our society. Diversity in our society. There are 28 states in India, each with its own language, culture, food, etc. Even within our state, we can see people speaking many different languages, following different religions, eating different kinds of food, observing different kinds of festivals, and wearing different kinds of dresses. Slowly, people adopt each other's dresses, food, festivals, language, and even religious ideas. This makes everyone's life richer and more diverse. People of all times went about in search of new lands and settled at new places. Sometimes they went to trade, sometimes they left their homes due to floods or drought or epidemics. Some others traveled because of wars and conflicts. They brought their languages, religions, and cultures to the new place and tried to follow them in new place also. Gradually, they mixed with the people of those areas, adopted many of their things, and also taught many of their own things to them. Diversity in India. All these different people who come from all kind of backgrounds and belong to different regional, cultural or religious backgrounds enrich India so interesting and so diverse. Thar Desert. Thar Desert is situated on the border of India and Pakistan. A large part of it is in Marwar region of Rajasthan state. Sikkim. Sikkim was an independent country till 1975, ruled by kings called Chogyals. In that year, Sikkim became part of India and a democratic government was established. Sikkim is a small state situated in the eastern parts of the Himalayan mountains. Kanchenjunga, one of the highest peaks of the Himalayas, is in Sikkim. In this region, there are valleys, mountains, lakes with snow and thick forest. It remains cold throughout the year and the place is covered with snow in winter. It also rains heavily in monsoon and many rivers flow through the village. People grow crops like maize, paddy, wheat, cardamom, ginger, etc. on steeped terrace cut on hill slopes. They also have tea and orange gardens. People also rear sheep and an animal called yak which gives meat, fur and milk. Unity in diversity. Britishers ruled India. Women and men from different cultures, religions and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. The unity of common people formed through our common struggle against British colonial government. This struggle is also called the national movement. Though India has multiple diversities, it continues with unity. Chirala Perala's movement in Andhra Pradesh is an example of unity. Chirala, Perala are two villages, but they remain in unity.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.